National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kittson County in northwestern Minnesota until 11 p.m. At 10:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lancaster, or 42 miles west of Roseau, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster and Caribou. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.